Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it's over 1 hour, and actually whole time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can also change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps with the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example settings here, or phone, or any other app you've got on this graph, and again you will be transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.